The hidden power that makes her think of you. If you're looking for comfort, this isn't your video. But if you want influence, the kind that stays in her mind long after you've left the room, stay right where you are. Centuries ago, the masters of power understood one truth. Human beings don't move because of logic. They move because of emotion. And when you understand how to guide emotion, you don't chase attention. Attention chases you. This isn't about tricks or fake confidence. This is emotional mastery, a way of carrying yourself that makes a woman feel you before she even understands why. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create not attraction, but magnetic pull, the kind she resists in words but obeys in feeling. 1. The shift. Most men try to impress. They chase smiles, they buy attention, they beg for approval. That's weakness disguised as effort. Your real power comes from creating an emotional shift. If she's guarded, don't match her guard. Stay calm, but unpredictable. If she's polite, break the script with a statement that makes her pause. If she's distracted, don't fight for her focus. Let your presence demand it. Every time you shift her emotions, laughter, curiosity, surprise, you make her feel something real. And once she feels, she remembers. 2. Anchor the feeling. Emotion fades unless you tie it to yourself. Here's how. When she laughs, don't try to top it. Just smile and say, "That laugh suits you." Then move on. Now, that moment lives in her memory, linked to you. When she vents about her day, and you calmly say, "You carry more than most people see." You've just made her feel understood. And every time she feels that emotion again, her mind returns to you automatically. That's emotional anchoring. 3. Silent command. Power isn't loud. The strongest presence rarely needs to prove itself. When chaos hits, when emotions rise, stay still. When others panic, you remain grounded. That calmness draws her in. She feels safer, steadier, and she doesn't even know why. Because your silence becomes control. Your steadiness becomes gravity. And people, especially women, follow gravity. 4. The power of tension. Desire doesn't grow in comfort. It grows in uncertainty. When you're always available, always chasing, always pleasing, she stops feeling. But when you give intensity, then pull back, she can't stop thinking about you. You share a powerful moment, then say calmly, "I'd stay longer, but I've got to go," and leave first. You just created the most addictive force on earth. Unfinished emotion. Her mind replays the moment again and again, searching for closure. That's how curiosity turns into obsession. 5. Become the emotional reference. She won't remember every word you say, but she'll remember how her body felt when she was near you. You want her to link the best moments, excitement, peace, relief, desire, to you. When she feels chaos and your presence brings calm, you become her emotional center. That's what makes a man unforgettable. 6. The energy of certainty. Real dominance is quiet. It's the calm voice that says, "We'll handle it," and means it. You don't demand. You decide. You move like a man who already knows the outcome. That certainty makes her relax. It makes people follow you naturally. Because the human brain always looks for the one who seems most sure. And when you become that person, you lead without trying. 7. The point of no return. When emotion, presence, and control blend together, attraction becomes inevitable. She doesn't choose you logically. She just feels pulled toward you. You didn't chase her attention. You became the rhythm of her emotions. Every high and low somehow leads back to you. That's not manipulation. That's mastery. Because when your presence becomes her peace and her fire, she can't imagine life without it. Final words. Men spend years trying to please. Few learn how to move energy. But when you understand how to guide emotion, yours and hers, you stop chasing. You attract by being. This isn't just about women. It's about power itself, the kind that shapes rooms, commands respect, and makes people listen without knowing why. So ask yourself, will you keep seeking approval? Or will you become the man whose presence writes the script? From this moment, stop chasing attention. Start building gravity. Because when you do, life and everyone in it begins to orbit around you. If this message resonated, leave a comment below. Every word you write helps you remember these lessons, and it might help another man rise, too. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and remember, real power is silent. Real attraction is emotional, and real men build both.